everybody, how is the lockdown due to this? I hope you guys are doing fine. I hope you guys are not bored or going crazy or anything. Anyways, you're welcome back to my channel, and if you're watching me for the first time, you're absolutely welcome. So in today's video, I will be installing this beautiful bob spring twist hair sent to me by an Amazon hair vendor called Xtrend. So basically, bob styles are not usually my go-to hairstyle, so when this vendor reached out to me, I was excited to see what I can do with this hair. So to install this hair, I decided to go for the part rubber band and part no cornrows method. So guys, this is what the hair looked like after I took out the Amazon outer package. The hair came in this plastic bag. The plastic bag contains 6 packs of spring twist hair, and each pack contains 15 roots of the spring twist hair. I also found some hair accessories and crochet pin, and I actually think it's really cool for the vendor to include these gifts in the parcel. So I'm parting my hair into 2 parts from one ear to another. And I am going in with my Gorilla Snot Gel to lay down the hair at the back. It's not really a proper slick down, it's just a way to make the hair look flat at the back because I won't be using cornrows for this install. So after slicking down the hair and tying it down with the rubber band, I'm going to braid the knots into about 5 to 6 single braids and then put them in place with some bobby pins. So in front, I am going to do the rubber band method. I am parting the hair diagonally and applying Gorilla Snot Gel to smoothen the edges. After that, I am tying it down with rubber bands and going ahead to twist it. If you decide not to use rubber bands, you can do single braids instead, but because I'm doing twists, I need the base of the twist to have a good grip, so that's why I'm using rubber bands. So guys, at this point I am using the crochet pin to install the roots as normal, as in you place the crochet pin into the hair and then you place the loop of the spring twist into the lash hook and pull it out. Then you put the end of the spring twist into the loop and tighten it. So I continue doing this while making sure that the knot of my hair is completely covered. So guys, the reason that I started installing the spring twist from the back of my hair is because I already know how many roots I'll need to install in front. Normally I would start from the front and then work my way gradually to the back if it was the cornrow method. When you get to the front, you place the crochet pin into the roots of the twists. Then you place the loop of the spring twist into the lash hook, pull it out, and then place the base of the twist into the loop to secure it. Then you place the crochet pin into the twist very close to the roots and place your own hair, twisted hair, into the lash hook and pull it out. Then you continue doing this till your own twisted hair is properly secured inside the spring twist. So guys, this is the finished look of this style. I really like this style, especially because I can style it in any way I want. I actually used all 6-pack for a full head, and I'll be sure to leave a link to this hair in the description box below. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I'll see you guys in my next video. Adios amigas.